So now let's see how we can work around with the Impressionist effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work around with the Impressionist effect, first of all, you need to go around onto the File menu and then go around over here onto Import right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead and import out an image that you want to go ahead and apply the effect to. So I'm just going to go around and bring in this image, for example. So now what I can simply do is I can go around onto effects right here, and then you can see that I can go around onto art stroke, and here you can see that Impressionist is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that you can choose the style, like you can choose stroke or dabs right here, as you can see. And if I were to go around onto strokes, and if I were to zoom in, then you can see the strokes right here. I can go ahead and change around the strokes right here, as you can see, just like this, and you can change around the coloration right here, just like this as well, and you can get the effect right here, just like this. You can also change around the brightness right here, just like this, and increase out the brightness or decrease out the brightness as well. Apart from that, you can also work around with the dabs, as you can see right here, so that you get more of color dabs just like this in the image. You can change around the dab size right here, just like this as well, and change around the coloration just like this as well. So you can decrease this out right here and increase this out just like this as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the brightness of the Impressionist effect just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with the Impressionist effect inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.